Alexa, play. What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling with your boy. To anybody that is new here, my name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the beard community. I have an Instagram channel that is _BeardSWAG_. This is a channel to where I buy beard products, and some of these small batch companies will send me products so I can do a review and unboxing, first impressions, test the products out, make a video, and get to share what I think and how I see these products or how they stand in the community. So before you make the decision to buy, that maybe my channel can help you out in that purchase, whether it's in your range, that the stank is what I call it, needs to be, stank is only bad in garbage. In beard products, on my channel and how I see it, strong stank is amazing and phenomenal and intoxicating. So that's what I'm meaning. Get that out of the way so there is no false impressions going on. Today I have an unboxing for you. But before we get into that, down below here there is a subscribe button and a reminder bell. There is a thumbs up and a thumbs down button. If you would sometime during the video, if you would like to be involved and see more of what I've got, go ahead and hit those buttons, please. It means a lot to my channel. Today, what I am coming to you with is a product, the Bearded Mack Grooming Company. And we're going to tear into the stuff. This so-called stank. Let me get this adjusted a little bit. I got to have it sounding right for my family. So welcome. I got me my good cup of coffee sitting here with that creamer's, or the Snickers creamer in it. If you've tried Bearded Mack before, leave me your first impressions on it. And what are you rocking in beard today? Today I have Uptown rocking that essential tobacco scent profile from Damn Yankee. It's got broccoli oil in it. And this is the first time I have ever had broccoli oil in my beard. And that goes really big for this unboxing that I'm going to be doing. So let's get into this. Looks like I have a card here. And I got some stuff. Got some products. I've got 2 oils. Boy, it's been so long, family, I don't remember what I got. A balm, a butter, a wash and a co-wash. Comes with a sticker, a couple of stickers, and a card. Just get that for you so you can see it. Chris McKenzie is the owner. Phone number's on there, all of his avenues that you can get hold of him. I'll have all these linked down below for you so you can see and go in and check them out. And I'll have a discount code for you. I'll have it linked below, so if you want to, you can pause this and go down and check out the link. I'll just tell you, it's SWAG15 is a discount code. So the first one I got is the Bearded Mack. The Roaring Mack, or Roaring 20 Mack, I guess you would call it. Let me see if I can get this. There you go. The Roaring 20s Mack. Great looking label. Great color on that. Get that over there so you can see it behind. Get my head out of the way. Very nice. Let's just rip that open right now. I think one of them leaked. All this garbage. Just get this one out of here too. I think this one leaked a little bit. Yep, the top was off just a skosh, y'all. Nope. The Roaring 20s Mack leaked on me just a little bit. That's all right. Ooh, that's going to smell good. Get this one off of here for you. Garbage, garbage. Get that off of there. Get that off of there. And then in the balm, the 18th Mack. Love these labels, man. Those are so cool with that American flag down there, just shimmering bright. God bless America. Then another one. This is the butter. Love it. Nothing on the front. No decal, no sticker. Nothing on the bottom. Everything is on top on all of them. You can see. Then let's grab these right here so I can show you these as well. Ooh. You can see this one leaked as well. Maybe that's where it came from. Lid was loose. Yeah, you can see that this leaked out all over the place. I don't know, something leaked. And I'll bet you it was that conditioner. Yep. So, the guilty culprit was the co-wash. Or the beard wash. The conditioner didn't leak, the beard wash leaked. Let me grab something real quick, family. If we ain't nothing but transparent and truthful around here, I just want to let you know, he does have the garbage up on top, or the sealant, but the lid was loose to where it leaked out. But that's all right. I still got some. It's probably down to here. Maybe here. Didn't lose that much. Just made kind of a mess. Ooh, and then let's get into that in just a minute. Now I've got stank all over the place, family. So, regroup. Let's get into the 18th Mack first, which, did I show you that label? Very nice. Very nice and clean, bright, beautiful presentation. It's got the screw top on it with a restrictor, which I'll pop out of there. So, let's read the letter first. It says, "Hey Michael, aka BeardSWAG, from all of us here at Bearded Mack, welcome to our family." I love that. "Thank you so much for your order. We wouldn't be here without your support. Let us know what you like about the mango lime wash and the conditioner, the Roaring 20s oil and butter, and the 18th Mack oil and balm. Cheers, Mack." This is thank you card. So, directions are on there. And we've got some ingredients, which I can't see, so we're going to have to break out our trusty. And it ain't because I'm blind, y'all. It's just because it's so small, but that's why. All right, here we go. Camellia seed, fractionated coconut, hemp seed, argan, moringa, broccoli seed, cranberry seed, avocado, tamanu, and vitamin E. Now, if that ain't just a mixture of ingredients, I don't know what is. Let me see if it's the same on here. Camellia seed. Yep. Same ingredients. And I don't see a scent profile on here. And you can see I've got some schmutz on the oil as well. Not schmutz, but product. So, first impressions coming out of the box, pretty sloppy. I got product all over me, and that's not good for a reviewer because I got a lot of lenses and screens and buttons to push while I'm on here. So, hey, it happens. And that's funny how we just had a conversation about this last night on Beard Time with Scott's YouTube channel about if I would ever give a bad review. Well, this isn't a bad review. I'm just being truthful and honest about what I get out of the products and maybe what could happen to you. So the Roaring 20s Mack, I don't know what the scent profile is. I can't remember. I didn't look it up. I just wanted to sniff. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Very clean and very gentlemanly smelling. Leather maybe is in there, I'm thinking. Sophistication. I'm just going to give you my classy. Oh, that's going to be nice. I'm going to enjoy that a lot. And let's see about this butter. I got that in the same scent profile in butter. You can see the labels up on top. You've got some ingredients here. Let's see if it tells me. Obviously, they're oil-resistant labels, which is a good thing. So I can see this one. Kapuka, Murumura, Babasu, Carrier Oil Blend, handcrafted and bottled in Northern Virginia. And it has something in front of it. SALLIPE. I don't know what that is. So, whatever. Abbreviations. If I had a website up, I'd tell you. Ooh-wee. Look at that goodness. Oh. You want to see? Oh, good Lord. Oh, that is such a light, custardy feeling, kind of like putting your finger in actual butter. Once it warms up, I mean, you can see. Look at that. Scent profile is right along, maybe a little more stronger because it's out of the bottle from the butter that I'm getting right now in the Roaring 20s. Oh man, and look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Goodness on my finger, it is just melted down just by the touch. Oh, fresh, deep. That's a deep, rich scent profile right there, y'all. I'm going to like that. That's got some deep stank on it. So, now let's go for the 18th Mack. That is so bright and fresh. Ah, wow. Oh, two scent profiles I absolutely love. Almost a bubblegummy scent to it. Real bright and real fresh. I like that. Same ingredients. Yeah, like Hubba Bubba bubblegum, that fresh kind of a bubblegum scent to it. That's crazy. First time I've smelled that. It's a 2-ounce, 18 Mack. This is the bomb. Oh, look at that honeycomb, y'all. Look at that honeycomb. So this has beeswax first. Muramura, Kupauka, Babasu, Lanolin, Carrier Oil Blend. Handcrafted and bottled. Same thing. Same scent profile. Clean. Wow, I love that. That's nice. I would say that's going to be a medium hold. It's not a heavy hold, but it's going to be a medium with some conditioning purposes to it. Oh man, I just love these scents. Very original, very rich, very deep, very light, very clean, very fresh scent profiles that I absolutely love. I cannot wait to get these in beard. But I'm going to hold off for a while because I got something special coming up next month with these products. I'm not going to wear them yet. I just wanted to give you my first impressions, unboxing experience with the Bearded Mack because I've had it for a while, and my brother Tyson at Faithfully Bearded turned me on to these guys and said he had the broccoli seed thing, he was bringing up, Tyson does his research, dives into this stuff, and really, it's amazing the things that he comes up with. And he was talking about this broccoli seed oil a couple of months ago before it even, I think, came out in any products. I don't know if he found that from this company, if he was talking to the company about ingredients and products and helping them out, because that's what he does. That's what we do as reviewers and influencers. We get together with these companies and we talk and we discuss products. We throw ideas off of each other, from being a maker to an influencer. It's a beautiful dance when it's done right. Mango lime. Let me just hold that back here for you. Beard conditioner, and you can see that is thick. Ooh. See that, family? Look at that just standing up. Oh, man, that is good. I like that a lot. It's going to be nice. Mango lime. Says it all. Ingredients in this: aloe vera and some other stuff that I'm not going to worry about right now. But it does have castor oil in it, avocado, sunflower, fragrance, and a lot of other words that I cannot pronounce right now, and I'm not even going to try for you, family. Let's get into this. Leaky wash, and I'll reach out to Mack and tell him what happened. But now that it's settled down a little, maybe you can see, how much is actually leaked out. It's actually about right here. So, that's fresh. Like that. Mango lime. Things that I would like to see a little bit different, them not to leak out, that would be good. Maybe find something else. I noticed that these products did not have a seal on top of them. That probably would have helped. I would have liked to have seen that. And then maybe have, well, not maybe, but definitely have the scent profile of what's on it, because I'm looking and I don't see it. I see directions. I see ingredients. And I don't think that says anything but handcrafted. And there's a lot of real estate on here, family, that you could put something on. But I'll get hold of him and I'll give him my impressions. I'm sure he'll watch this and maybe take some notes. That's what I got for you, family. The Bearded Mac. Swag 15 for a discount code. As always, I love you and I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Reach out to the company. Leave me some comments down below if you've tried this stuff. What you got in beard. How your day's been. Be blessed, family. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Go forgive somebody. Give forgiveness to somebody. And just be that positive in this world, man. Be that light in this world. So God bless. I love you. I'm out of here. Peace out.